I hope these picnic goodies will be good.
Don't worry, sweetie darling. I think it'll be alright.
Independence Day is wonderful. These fireworks are like going to be the best things ever.
I know. I wish we didn't have to wait until dark to set them off. I really like pretty sparkly things.
Like me too, girlfriend sister. I know that Mommy and Daddy said we should not touch them and stuff, but I think it'll be okay. Let me go get those matches and...
What? No!
Grandma, have you gone mad?
No, you crazy children, what do you think you're doing?
We totally wanted to play with these super deluxe fireworks, Cha.
You were told to never touch those things.
But Grandma, we can handle danger. We're not babies.
Nonetheless, kids should never play with fireworks. Things like firecrackers, rockets, and sparklers are just too dangerous.
But sparklers are so sparkly and beautiful.
Sparklers can reach 1800 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt gold.
Oh my goodness! Keep those things away from my jewelry box. Ow!
That is right, my little darling head. That is why you should never hold fireworks in your hand. They could be unknowingly ignited and explode at any time. Then you would have a real problem to worry about. And what if fireworks are illegal around here? Do you want to go to jail?
Yeah, but I learned in Sunday school that gotta protect me from bad stuff.
The Bible says in Proverbs 14, "The wise are cautious and avoid danger. Fools plunge ahead with reckless confidence and suffer for it."
That's right, God does look after us. But that does not mean we can just do whatever we want and not worry about danger. We must be responsible with the lives He has given us. We must not be careless.
I like to think that I'm getting it and understand.
I'm still not sure I think fireworks are dangerous, though.
All right, let's have a little experiment in carelessness. Let's say I light this match and carelessly drop it on the ground next to these fireworks. What do you think is going to happen?
In danger?
Exactly.
Hit the deck!
Well, now do you understand, Edna?
I certainly do, Grandma Chloris. Fireworks can be dangerous.
Very good, girls. You have learned much today.
Hey, everybody. The yummy, delicious burgers and hot dogs are ready.
Run along now and get some.
Oh boy,
Yay.
I'm going to eat a
I'm
whole
starving.
bunches
It's gonna be
and
so
scarf
easy.
it down.
Grandpa, you want a burger or a hot dog?
Hamburger, please.